It's Don here from the board. Thanks for coming along and checking out this video. So today we're going to be having a look at another HIBI MX made Artisan. And this one I believe is the New South Wales Waratah. Now I bought this one through the Keyboard Treehouse. I think they may have extras for this. You can either get it from Keyboard Treehouse or Treehouse Hobbies depending on where you are in the world. We have an internal facing and an external facing site for dealing with currencies and shipping and things like that. Alright, so last time I made a bit of a criticism that when they shipped me my snag key that it came in this massive box for a single keycap. Like, it is obviously overkill for a keycap, but supposedly the actual shipping rates were the same because of the fact that they have, you know, commerce accounts and things like that. So it's nice to see that when they shipped this one, they did actually use a slightly smaller box. When I say slightly smaller, it's still almost the same in terms of its length and width, but at least it is, you know, maybe only 2/3 the size for a single keycap. So there's definitely an improvement there, I suppose, in terms of material and cost. But if it's only going to cost them the same amount, you know, then sure. I've already obviously taken the label off that for anti-doxing reasons, but let's open this up and see what we have inside. Now this keycap is the Waratah keycap. Now this was commissioned by one of the locals here in Sydney in time for the Sydney Keyboard Meetup this year. I was not able to make it because I was busy trying to paint my house. It's been like 7 months of renovations with no end in sight. So I am very sorry for those who were hoping to catch up with me at the meetup, but such is life and there'll be more meetups to come. Alright, there we go. Nice and simple. Nothing else in there. That's cool. So once again, we got the classic HIBI packaging with that sort of lovely lavender purple and the peach, and then the inverse on the back with a HIBI QR code. We've got our double bagged Artisan, as it seems to be the standard for how they're done these days. It's a cherry R1 profile, and there you go, look at that. So that is, I guess, you know, an artistic rendition of the Waratah, I believe. It's not I don't think it's the bottle brush, because the bottle brush is the yellow one. I'm pretty sure this is the Waratah. I mean, I've only been living in this state for the last 23 years. On a black background, and then there's the HIBI logo on the back, and it says HIBI in Sydney 22, being the Sydney Meetup 2022. It's very simple, it's very cute, and I suppose if you have pride in your state or where you live and what you represent or who you represent for, this is a lovely addition to your collection. So I want to say thank you very much to Jono for actually making these happen, and thanks very much to Keyboard Treehouse for actually running these and providing these to people like myself, and for HIBI continuing to smash out some really great quality caps that actually ship on time and make deadlines, because I think this came in a week and a couple of days before the actual meetup, so it was a bit tight there, but it definitely made it for those who wanted to have them in time for the meetup. So there you go, nice and simple, very short video, but really great clear contrast lines. The enamel looks great, the coloring looks fantastic, and yeah, can't wait to see more of these type of keycaps. And they'll go into my slowly growing collection of Artisan keycaps now, and novelties, I suppose you can call them. Yeah. Right. Thanks very much for checking out the video. I hope you enjoyed that. And yeah, go check out Keyboard Treehouse or Treehouse Hobbies to see if there's any extras if you are interested in them at all. Well, thanks for checking out this video. I hope you liked it. Look after yourselves, look after each other, and of course, as usual, until next time, happy clacking.